This is Lisa Highfill, and I have a tidbit to share with you. I'm going to share with you a Google extension to shorten URLs. So if you're signed into your Google Chrome browser, click in the top right corner where it says Apps. We're going to go shopping in one of my favorite stores, the web store. If you click on it, and then let's search for Google URL. Oh, there it pops up, Google URL Shortener. And it's one of the first ones. You don't want to have the app, you want to have the extension. So if you click Add to Chrome, immediately then click Add, and you'll see it'll start to pop up here on the right. There it is. I close this window, and I can let it do its magic. So there we go. So I have the student work, and I love to send student work home to parents or websites, and I get really tired of sending home these long URLs. They just look messy in emails. You have an email here, and it's got this big URL there. I like to send home really nice short URLs. It looks a lot more professional. So if I click on the document now, and I click on my shortener, there I have it, the shortened URL. I don't have to go to an actual website to shorten that. I can also click on QR code, and it instantly will give me a QR code so I can scan to this document. I click copy, and then I go back into the email, and then just paste that document, and there I have a nice short URL. It's very handy when I have to cut and paste. The other thing it does is it gives some details about how many clicks, how many times someone has visited a document. I find that to be very handy.